Yeah, you can kind of get that in headphones, but not properly. I just can't position things right. So why don't I use headphones? I have a very nice pair of headphones, obviously. These are Audeze LCD X's. So yeah, these are great, love these. I've got obviously a few different pairs of headphones to check out. But why don't I use these for mastering, and why do I think you shouldn't use them for mastering? Now, the only reason I think you should use them, let's start there, is if you have a room that isn't acoustically treated, if you are in a situation where you can't play music loud, if you're in a situation where you haven't got very good speakers and you just can't set your room up correctly, then I think your only choice is to use headphones. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about now. The reason I don't use them is for the reasons that I do have an acoustically treated room. I have some great speakers, but more importantly to me, cokehead, got a big red nose now. Look like fucking Alex Ferguson. So the reason why I don't use headphones is because I like the feel and the being able to move around and hear this real proper stereo image of how things are. Now, I like to feel the bass. I like to feel how bright things are in my head. And really for me, it's about the spatial awareness. Now, yeah, you can kind of get that in headphones, but not properly. I just can't position things right. Now, I know a lot of you can, and I know that if you get used to headphones, then they're very good, but I just never get that sub either. I never get that really super low end that I can get from a set of speakers and the super high. I just can't picture things in the right place for me. And I just that's how I like to hear things. I know that I can hear a lot of other things with headphones, and they come, you know, into their uses. And I listen to those because I know a lot of people are listening on headphones, and I know that you can hear some details and some distortion and things like that. So that's what I use them for, which is more kind of quality control purposes rather than, you know, actual mastering. But for me, it's more about I can hear the subs. I want to hear the subs in the room. I want to have the stereo image in front of me because then I can really position the sounds. So if I was mixing, that's exactly why I'd want to do that. But for me, mastering, I can still feel the stereo. I can hear what I'm picking out because that's how I listen. I listen as a blank canvas and then pick out from there. So that's why I use speakers and I don't use headphones for mastering. So let me know in the comments why you use headphones, benefits that you get from using them, and reasons why you actually prefer, like me, to use speakers. So this is more for a discussion in the comments, so I'll see you in there. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and thumb it up, and please go to the link below which will take you to streaky.com, which is my website, and there you can sign up for the Audio Anoraks newsletter. Now, the Audio Anoraks newsletter there's about 25,000 other anoraks like me, and it's me giving away more tips and tricks that I can't do on YouTube. Also, I get discounts, special discounts from manufacturers and plug-in manufacturers that I'm allowed to give away to the Audio Anorak community. So go there, sign up. It's once a month I give that newsletter out, so you won't get bombarded with spam. Once a month you'll get a load of discount codes. Yeah, go to the link below, which will take you to streaky.com, where you can sign up for the newsletter. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.